Hello friends, very good morning folks. And myself Pankaj Rai from India. As you know that I need to improve my common skill, so I do continuously practice. I keep posting videos on any topic which I get randomly. So before 5 minutes I thought that okay, let's have some discussion with you on negative thoughts. Because friends, whenever you start working in one direction, when you will stop taking when you will start taking action for the future, you will get lot of friends, lot of colleague, lot of neighbor, many person you will get. They will give negative points that hey, what the hell you are doing? Enjoy your life. To stop learning. So you have to get rid of these mindset people. You should create atmosphere around you that hey, I need to learn new things, and this is how the life will happen. If you want to make your life, if you want to make more money, then you have to start learning every day. Once you start learning, nobody is here who will stop you from earning more amount. If there is learning, you will become economically more strong as compared to your last year, last month. You will get lot of people, they have negative mindset. They will laugh when you will start working. They will laugh at you, they will make you down. But your responsibility, you will not give up. You will take action, keep growing. Suppose I have curiosity to learn, to become expert in common skill in English. That does not mean that I hate my native language. Means my native language is Hindi. As I am Indian, I respect my native language. That will remain till my last breath. But I have another thing that I should learn different languages. What will happen when I will learn different language? Once I will get the command on the English, then I can prefer any other international language. So that what will happen, right now I will be able to get one opportunity. After learning another language, there will be more option for me. If you have habit to learn anything, you can learn anything, you can grow. Because if you are doing a business or you are doing a job, every place, every moment of your life, you have to start learning. Because if you will not learn by your colleague, if you not learn by your parents, by your brother, means whatever the person is you are touching from the morning to till night before your bed, you have to learn from everyone. And skill is more important. This time there is lot of opportunity, there is lot of job. One thing is missing, that is skill. What people thinks, they do work for their skill 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, quarter, monthly, yearly, then they stop learning. Because they got frustrated, they have negative mindset. Many person, they create negative mindset. You have to get rid of the person who is creating negative mindset for you, and you have to create some positive atmosphere. You have to learn from everyone. So one simple fundamental behind learning, behind always motivated, always enthusiasm, and always having desire, willing to learn new things. Within a day you cannot learn anything you wanted to learn, you need to draw a plan that these are the plan I have and I am going to follow a direction, and my plan will having a dynamism planning. Means if somebody is here who is technically strong, they can understand the fundamental of polymorphism. You have to apply runtime polymorphism in your plan. Means your plan should have a flexibility. It should, you can change at any moment, but focus will be same. Suppose you are learning 1 decimal 0.1 in decimal. If I will talk about per day you are learning 0.1 decimal. In a year, near about you will be able to upgrade your skill. You will be able to add value 3.6 in your skill. In a year, if you are able to upgrade your skill 3.6, then that is a good enough. So just calculate this thing. 3.6% you are upgrading your skill per year. Within a 10 year, what will happen? Suppose you started from 0, now you have 30.600 percentage you have growth. You upgraded your skill, and you need to watch market continuously. What is requirement and what is going on? Accordingly, you need to learn. You should not rush for this, because this is a long-term plan. It will take time and you have to give the time. And another thing, for learning anything, you have to not give extra time. Whenever you are free, that moment you can do practice. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you will get the message. What I am saying, don't worry about that. Maybe I am making some mistake, don't worry about that. Get the theme which I am throwing for everyone. In case any person have any query, any suggestions, any comment, any concern, let me know. I gonna to again work on that, and this is how I will upgrade my skill. Thank you folks.